my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Solo Leveling Season 2 episode number 9. I think it's just out and I can't wait to get to it. So without wasting much time, why wait? I don't have anything much to say. The previous 2 episodes was great. So yeah, let's get to the reaction. Wow, that was a cool scenery. Elixir of life, it's finally here. His dream to save his mother. So emotional. What? On intelligence level? Oh no. Does he have a high intelligence level? Wow, he's taking a chance. Don't mess this up. It's done! 6 items. So he can save 6 people, huh? Eternal's number. Maybe he can cure his friend's father's Eternal's number too, huh? Dragon. And what about the boss? Boss too, huh? Dragon King. Can he? Or is it too powerful? Nice. He has a dragon in his repertoire also. Dragon. Kaisel. Nice. What about the Demon King? Won't he try to... Okay, health. Okay, runestone, huh? He finally got it! I was waiting for this power up. I hope they meet again. Why didn't he try to use Arise on 3 hours? Okay, so there is a limit. But come on, try to use Arise on Demon King. Man, he has a transport now, huh? So cool, man. So Sanjanu, does he know about this? He should know, right? Esrang Kanta have been called. Man, I strangely remember reading this particular panel in the manhwa. I don't know why. Again, you would have gathered from the title itself that I'm a manhwa reader. So again, you might be confused seeing me get excited or shocked about seeing few scenes. Well, I am a manhwa reader. I did read way into the manhwa. Like I did not read the whole story. Like I stopped it somewhere. I don't even remember the arcs, but not here. Way into the manhwa. So I was actually reading it when it was actually airing week by week, 5 to 6 years ago, or 4 to 5 years ago. I don't remember clearly in my intermediate. So I'm excited. I'm excited for this adaptation. But thanks to my memory loss power, I have forgot most of the things. Only I do remember the major arcs that are going to come, major results of those arcs, who are going to win, how they are going to win. Not how they are going to win, but who is going to be the actual boss they are going to fight and all those things. So yeah, I am somewhere in between the anime original watcher and a manhwa reader, actual average manhwa reader. So if you are interested in a viewpoint of a person of that type of person, which is me basically. So if you're interested in that, please continue watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. And so yeah, you may consider the title as a clickbait, but that's what I am. I am a manhwa reader. I did read manhwa. Okay, enough of justifying myself. Let's continue the reaction. We'll talk more about it in the discussion after the reaction. So who is this guy? Okay, wow, S rank healer. S rank healer. He retired. Okay, we did see him in the episode 1 first scene, right? Yeah, I think so. I remember him. So he's going to help in the raid also, huh? Oh, is he not going? Yeah, he has trauma, right? Yeah. Wow, that's wild. I think so, yeah, in episode 1. It's not being patriotic, man. It's success. Survival, yeah. Wow, that's sad. And can he choose not to go? Isn't it like drafting? Hmm. But wow, so they can reject not going. Hmm. I thought it was like drafting. They have to go. Hmm. Man, being a healer, he must have seen so much violence, so much suffering, man. I can understand him. Well, he is a healer. He doesn't like fighting, of course. Wow, is he going to use it? Is she going to wake up? I mean. Oh, wow, is it sad? Is this the time he found out? Ah, that looks work, yeah. Okay, it's not disease. It was a burn mark, huh? That's traumatic and sad. No, all of this, all of this for this one moment. He can use this 6 times, right? 6 is a magic number. What will happen, huh? Wow, he's shaking. I can understand. Wow, this is emotional. Hmm. All for this one moment. Well, the episode is named It Was All Worth It. So I guess she is going to wake up. Hmm. Wow, even that mark, not only diseases, injuries too. Makes sense, elixir of life. Man, his sister is going to be so emotional, man. When she finds out her mother is awake, huh? I think so she is going to wake up. There she is. My thumbnail. Nice. Did his sister even like talk with like 4 years? Only 4 years. Okay, I thought she was sleeping since her childhood, since his sister's childhood. I mean, it's strange that she recognized him, man. He transformed so much. He's not the same Sanjin Wu. Hmm. This man, the doctors are going to be so shocked. Or maybe this is my thumbnail. I don't know. Everything is beautiful. That's all. Man, they are doing a great job with this emotional scene. I thought they were nailing the action scenes, but this is so realistic. Nice. I should stop talking and just take this in. Ah, everything for this. Yeah, that's what I thought. A miracle. Oh, once more. 4 years, huh? Hmm. Incredible lucky. Incredibly luck. Not everyone gets this kind of
ありがとうございます。すでに
chance.
承知の通り、現在各地でカナン島から
だが戦えない人たちは俺たちの何百倍も恐ろしいはずだ。
Oh, wise words, huh? Is he the one who
俺
died?
たちにしかできない。この国を
And is he going to go? I think so. He's going to go.
おい、
Wow.
掃除からかしら。
First cleaning in 4 years.
この家もだいぶ
Even now the father is also going to
な
return.
かなかうちの庭
Whole family together, huh?
私が生まれた頃から住んでるんだもん。
俺がずっと望んできた。
Exactly.
だけど
What? Anis?
ハンターとして勝ってしまったのだ。
What's he talking about? Ah, there it is about the father. Wow! Does he look like that in the behind the whole beard and all those things? Whoa!
そういえばニュースにそういえばニュースに
Wild shit, man.
ハンターになる
He looks so caveman type
お父さん
right
ハ
now.
ンターになる前は消防士だったじゃないでしょ
はい。
What now, huh?
会見お疲れ様。
ここに訪ねてくるとは。
Who?
トーマス・ラングル。アメリカ所属の国家権力級 S 級ハン
S rank National Authority Hunter? What?
ター。淡い期待をしてしまいました。
So he's helping. Wow, America is helping, huh?
だが一国家の軍事介入することはあるまい。
Hmm.
途中に立ち寄っただけか。
Too many powers,
ハ
man.
ンターの剣に釘を刺しに来たかあるいは別の何かを確認しに来た。
もう間もなく来る。
Hmm. Okay, so they were the one who called him, huh?
いやんです。
I don't think so. He's going to
いた
go.
だけませんか。
Really? Do I remember him going?
た恋の機会を逃すのをしよ
Wow. Yeah, he wants to live with his mother. Hmm.
う。魔力の波長。
What? What was
さ
that?
すがです。この S 級ハンターたちは
Are we going to see S rank hunters
あるようでした。
spar a little?
なっていきますか。
Wild. Nice. They're training for the raid, right? But it's so wild that these hunters can pass upon not going on Jeju Island raid. I thought it was like a drafting.
白川じゃないか。
Who is? Did he beat him?
この解説師
Wow.
S 級一箇所に集まることは
So he's also an S rank hunter. Wild man.
先ほどの魔力の波長はおそらく彼らから発せられたものでしょう。
白川ハンターが押されてます。
Yeah.
それでも白川社長叶いませんよ。
Okay, so okay.
あの道着を着た人は
Ring the Doorbell is my
マ
fame
ジック
guild.
さんです
Hmm.
どうして本気を出すないと思うのですが
Hmm.
人前では全力を出す戦いをすると彼は怪物と
Hyping up. Wow.
変身系だって噂は本当だ
Hmm.
それから
All S rank hunters? Is that it?
おやお見えになりましたか
From Japan.
ハンターたちそしてギルドマスターのリュウです
Is Sanjinu going to show them a little bit of taste?
最
おありゃうち
He's highly perceptive, man.
めちゃくちゃにしてくれた水篠じゃないか
ちょっとがっかりですね
Wow, that was harsh.
戦う姿をいつも見ているからか S 級が S 級に見えません
うちのことバカにしてたよおばちゃうからってわかんねえんだ
Knights Guild. Okay, wow. So we are seeing so many guilds here. Wow. Is he S rank too?
初めて聞いた
S 級やなくて A 級や
Oh, okay. So only A rank.
かもしらんけどそれでもうちは国内の一つや今回のレイドでも守備
風は立てない方がいい
ちゃうちゃうこういう床につけられたら負け
そして試合形式は1対1では
Not one on one.
一度に全員で勝負。
Okay. This is going to be interesting.
確実に乱戦になることが予想されますから。
4 versus 4.
高坂、黒須、
So no Sanjin Wu?
白川ハンタ
Ah, come on. Bullshit.
アーシールノ
ーでは、親善試合
Okay, so yeah, mage type was excluded, right? I forgot. Only combat type. Ah, don't end it here. Well, the episode ended there, guys. I should have waited a week more to react to these episodes, man. I don't know why I started reacting to these episodes right now. Man, I forgot how brutal the cliffhangers can be. I had to wait a whole week now. Ah, damn. Like, if you don't know, I have not been reacting to this episode since last 3 weeks. So, I have been reacting to the last 3 episodes continuously since last 1 hour, last 1.5 hour. So, it's been so cool. Like, going from one episode to another without waiting, without any need to wait. But now, I've reached the end of this journey. This small journey, but yeah, it's great fun, guys. Such a great series again. It's so cool and such a wild feeling to finally see the beautiful adaptation of the series, man. I've been waiting for this for so long. Solo Leveling's adaptation. We are in season 2 and we are about to adapt the Jeju Island arc. I think so. Like, are there enough episodes? This is episode 9, right? So 3 more episodes. Will they be able to, or will they leave it in the middle of the Jeju Island arc, where I think they will leave it? I don't know. Like, if they're going to cover the whole Jeju Island arc, I don't think so. They can cover the whole Jeju Island arc because it's big, from what I remember. If I was them, I would leave the Jeju Island arc for the next season because it's hype. It is my favorite season. It's my favorite arc, and I was dreaming about seeing it in animation even while I was reading it. So this is going to be great fun. So I would have liked to see Sanjin Woo showcase his power in front of the Japanese team once again. But I think he skipped it, right? Like he's planning to skip this raid. He doesn't know the severity of this raid or the importance of why they are doing this raid. But anyway, it's going to be interesting. I'm here for it. I hope you guys see how much I am enjoying this episode. I hope you guys enjoy my reaction to this episode. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe and push the notification bell if you enjoyed my reaction. If you didn't, please, comment section is your canvas. Please use it. Just a few lines. Hopefully not rudely. Why don't you like this reaction? If you suggest some improvements, if it is possible, I will employ them. So please guys, comment section. Please interact with this video. That will greatly help me. That will greatly help my channel and motivate me in any way. Please, it's free to do. And finally, thank you to those who have always been supporting me. I hope you guys keep on coming back each and every week. Sorry for this 3 weeks delay. I will try to stay consistent, keep up my discipline and everything. So yeah, thank you so much for your support, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.